everybody, I am currently at CVS and I'm excited to go couponing. Last week I decided not to go just because it was a little slow. This week it's really slow. They're not doing their CVS like Black Friday deals. I always have looked forward to their Black Friday deals. Like I remember years ago I'd wake up in the morning, go to CVS before we'd do anything turkey related or Thanksgiving related, and I'd have a receipt that is tall as I am. And they're slowly dwindling down, but as far as I know, there is no Black Friday deals. There's a couple things, but we're gonna go inside and try to see if we can get some deals. I have an 8 off of 40, so I plan on using that, so we're gonna see what I can stack with some Ibotta deals. So let's go inside and have some fun shopping. So I saw that there was some toys on clearance on Instagram, so I'm actually scanning some stuff. I scanned this. This is ringing up $2.99. This is ringing up $2.99. This Barbie is ringing up 99 cents, which I'm going to get for my daughter, and then I'm going to continue scanning the rest of these and see what else we can get. So I scanned Mr. Potato Head. This was ringing up 80 cents. I scanned this. This was a ringing up, I think like $1.60. And then I rang up these were ringing up 70 cents. I'm still gonna check a couple more items. So these were ringing up, I think 50 cents. This was ringing up 80 cents. These were ringing up 16 cents. Great deal if you guys need some items. I scanned a lot of these other toys, and a lot of these other toys are ringing up like $6 or like 50% off. So nothing really like too cool, but I'm still happy with everything that I got. I did scan some of the Halloween stuff. These were ringing up 80 cents, and that's all I scanned because my mom wants some of that stuff, so yeah. I also price checked this charcoal. This is ringing up 99 cents, you guys, and the lighter fluid is ringing up 60 cents, so yes. And I'm also getting a pair of earrings because one of you guys told me Llewellyn wanted one of those for Christmas. Or for Halloween, and I'm buying it for her. I also have a ton of other of this seen on TV. A lot of it's all like 50% off, so if you guys need any of this stuff, definitely check it out. So here is some deals if you guys need any of these small appliances. These are perfect gifts. So this is just $10 on sale. Sorry, my notebook's going down the floor. But we have a haircut machine for $10, and then you get a $5 extra care buck. That's a perfect deal. It is a limit of one, so depending on what $5 deals you get. We also have some hair flatteners for $20, and then you get $10 back. Another flattener. Here we have where you just get $10 off. Another Conair curler for $20. You get $10 back. Great price. Here is another item for $20. Here is a hairdryer for $40, and then you get $25 back. Nope, you get $15 back, making it $25. So pretty great deal for those. Okay, here's an awesome deal that we're gonna get. We're gonna get 4 of the Colgate toothpaste. That is 2 for $7.98. Now I currently have 2 printable coupons that I'm going to use, and then I have a 50% off insert coupon. I also have a $1 off digital coupon, so we're gonna use that. Then we're also gonna get, we're gonna scroll on down here, and we're gonna get 2 of the toothbrushes that are $6.29. You're gonna get 2 of the $6.29 toothbrushes. So we're gonna go ahead and get that. And we're gonna use 2 50% off insert coupons that we got from our inserts last week. And then I also have a 5 off of 25 CRT that I'm gonna use. Altogether, you're gonna pay $19.04 for 4 tubes of toothpaste and 2 toothbrushes. When you purchase 2 of them, you get a $7 extra care buck. So we're gonna get $14 back for the Colgate deal, and then for the spend 12, you'll get $6 back for the toothbrushes. So we'll make everything, all 6 items, a 96-cent moneymaker. So here we have the CoverGirl eyebrow pencils. So I just noticed a lot of my CoverGirl stuff, they moved it down in price. A lot of these used to be a lot more expensive, but anyways, we're gonna get some eyeshadows. These are $4.99. We're gonna use 2 of these $3 off insert coupons. You'll end up just paying $3.98, but when you purchase 2 of them, you get a $6 extra care buck, making it a $2.02 moneymaker. So I'm doing this deal because I have a 10 off of, or a 8 off of 40, and I just need a little bit more left to spend. So we're gonna get the Poise Ultra Thin Pads for $6.99. There's no digital coupons, there's nothing that I can find out. But you'll pay $6.99, but here with Shopkicks you get 1,015 points for purchasing and scanning the product. And then we also get $1 back with Ibotta, if I can find it in my app. I had it. Now it's missing. Here is $1 back. That's $1.50, but we get $1 back with Ibotta, so making this just $1.93, which is an okay deal. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I was at CVS, you guys, and I was so excited. I walk in the store and I saw that, you know, there's clearance stuff. And so I go to the toy aisle and I just start grabbing toys and I start scanning them. And then I turn around and I see a little section of toys and I'm like, okay, those must be the clearance toys. But I did notice a lot of their toys were on clearance. Like some of it was like 25, 40, 50% off, but nothing that I really needed. My store is very small when it comes to some of that stuff, but I see some people have like carts and carts full, but I have a store that's just a very small store. But they still had the Halloween stuff. I ended up getting my mom some candy corn. They had it for like 80 cents. I probably can get it cheaper next week. We will see. But other than that, I just got her a couple bags because she wanted some. And I got like 18 of those bubble wands. Those were 15 cents each. I got those bubble gun things. I always get that stuff for gifts, especially with like Charlotte and her little friends and stuff. Those are perfect gifts. So and you can't go wrong with bubbles. So I got a lot of the bubble stuff. And then I ended up getting a bag of charcoal for 99 cents. I got 3 things of the lighter fluid for 59 cents. I called my relatives and see if anybody needed any of that stuff, so I got that. Then I ended up getting the 4 Colgate toothbrushes, or the toothpaste, and then the toothbrushes, and that was a 96-cent Moneymaker. I ended up getting the CoverGirl. I did have a problem with one of the coupons scanning. Charlotte, can you just be quiet just a little bit? Thank you. I did have problems with one of my coupons scanning, and it wasn't the coupon, it was the product. So they ended up scanning 2 of the same products because I had 2 different shades, and then the coupon scanned just fine. So, but that ended up becoming a $2.02 Moneymaker for that. And then I got the Poise because I had the spend 40 get $8 off. Now I did do stuff in separate transactions, so this is what I did. I ended up getting that hair straightener for 20 bucks because somehow mine has disappeared. I don't know where it went, but you got a $10 hair straightener or $10 extra care buck back. And then I ended up getting the $5 hair trimmer, or the $10 hair trimmer that you get a $5 extra care buck back because my husband cuts his own hair, he cuts my son's hair. You can't go wrong with that stuff, especially for $5. So that was pretty much everything that I got for that. And then I had the Poise, but I got a lot of clearance. I got a lot of clearance, which I was pretty excited for. But my total, everything that I paid out of pocket was $11.17. I have very little extra care bucks, so I have to, like, you know, do separate transactions. But I paid $11.17, but I actually used a gift card that I got from Ibotta, so I didn't really pay for it. I ended up using $36 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $41 back, so I'm pretty excited with that. I did receive $1 back for Ibotta for the Poise, and then I will be receiving $4.06 from Shopkick for the Poise also. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now, one thing I don't like about Fetch Rewards and CVS is it always gives you like what the price you pay after extra care bucks. But guess what? They must have changed their system because when I scanned for the Poise, I got 86 points, or 68 points, which is $6.99. So I got 69 points I got for the Poise. So they probably changed their system now. So then I had a deal where if I spend like $12 or $20 on Colgate, I would have gotten, I think it was 1,200 points or something like that. So I scanned it, and then you get those little robot guys start giggling and dancing, and I'm like, oh. So CVS And Fetch Rewards has changed it up a little bit. It's not what you price is what you pay with extra care bucks. It is what the price is when it's on sale. So hopefully it stays that way, because I think too many people were adjusting their receipts and it was getting annoying, so maybe they changed it up a bit. So I ended up getting 1,584 points from Fetch Rewards, and it was for the 1,200 points for the Colgate, and then I got bonus points for Colgate and then the Poise, and then I think that was it. So I ended up getting $1.58 back from Fetch Rewards. So my grand total, you guys, came to be a 47-cent moneymaker. Didn't do a lot of couponing, but I had a lot of fun shopping on the clearance. I haven't been able to do that because every single time that stuff goes on clearance, I have people in my store that just go straight towards that and fill up their carts, and I'm just like, okay, it's not worth it, you know, to go crazy. But I was just taking my sweet time. But I did get a Barbie for my daughter. She was pretty excited for that, and she was excited for the bubbles, but the bubbles we're not playing with until the summer. So yeah, but I ended up saving $198.35 for everything. $198.35. I ended up getting 43 items. 43 items, and I made everything. I made a 47-cent moneymaker. I saved almost $200. I'm pretty excited with everything on that. If you guys enjoyed my CVS haul, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm here to help you guys save some money and have fun while we're shopping. And I'll see you guys all later. See you later. Bye-bye.